Hey guys, 𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸 how you can get up to 250 free leads a week. And I'm going to talk to you about strategy. All right, so our number one job as online marketers is really to truly copy and paste ads on different platforms and to get people to our capture page. And as long as we can do that, hopefully you have an autoresponder. If you don't, I'll post some information below where you can check out. Your autoresponder will do the message of automatically sending people more information about your offer until they're ready to purchase. And then you can hopefully do a little bit of manual work of warming up your leads by sending a broadcast at least 3 or 4 times a week to your list, inviting them to either training or sharing with them what's going on in your business. It lets them know that you're real, not your personal. So this, using the autoresponder, makes your business 80% automated, and then the other 20% you're warming up your group by inviting them to weekly trainings, inviting them to your proof groups, and or sending them information about what's going on in your business. Okay, so let's get to the lead generation part now that I told you about the process. There are several ways that you could get free leads every single day to your sales page, and I'm going to show you how easily you could get 250 free leads, which is the equivalent of a solo ad really, to your capture page. Okay, now this may look like a lot, but if you have a daily routine, you can incorporate all these things into your marketing tactic and not be overwhelmed, and I'm going to explain how. So one of the things that I do, before I even start getting into this, let me explain what I mean. One of the things that I do every day is I sit down, and in the morning my marketing block before I go to work is focused on marketing. So I take my copy and paste ads, I post in my Facebook groups, I post on Craigslist. That's my marketing, that's my morning. Okay, so that takes about maybe, I would say like 30 minutes to do. Alright, so Craigslist, done. Alright, Facebook, done. In 30 minutes I could get both of those things done. Alright, lunchtime, I'll take 10 minutes and make a quick video, YouTube, getting 10 free leads a day. So I'm going to talk about each one of these as I kind of go through. Growing my friends list, when I get off work, I'll spend another like 15 minutes and add, about 25 friends, and then before I go to bed I'll add another 25. So adding 50 a day, I'm growing my friends list to 5,000. And then active prospecting, I'll get into that. So anyways, my whole point is that you see all these different free lead strategies. It does not take a lot of time. You just have to have a routine that you do every day that allows you to incorporate these free strategies in so that you can get eyeballs on your capture page. And if you check out the comment section below, there'll be information about how you could get connected to the system and the routine that I use every day. Yeah, so check that out. Alright, so let's get into it. Craigslist. You could post a couple ads every day on Craigslist and get 20 free leads a day. Okay, minimum, right? So we'll take a little bit of time, but I would say after like 2 or 3 weeks, you could easily build up to 20 leads a day coming just from Craigslist. Okay, going to your capture page. Okay, or in my case, I don't send them directly to a capture page. I send them to an email list. That's email that's set to vacation mode, and they get an autoresponder message with a welcome from me and then the link. So it kind of personalizes it first, and then they get the link. Okay. On YouTube, making a video like this with your phone, just sharing your simple videos, sharing your passion and your enthusiasm and your excitement for your opportunity, sharing your proof, sharing testimonials from other people in your proof groups or in your opportunity groups, sharing that on YouTube, sharing training videos, sharing other people what you're doing. Simple videos like this on YouTube can bring you 10 leads a day. Okay? And YouTube is really great because people who go to YouTube are already looking for an answer. So these are people who, they already went to YouTube looking for an opportunity. They already went to YouTube looking for marketing training, so on and so forth. So they're targeted, right? So those are, to me, some of the best leads to have. Okay, so you could get 10 a day from just doing a YouTube video. Then you can take that same YouTube video that you did and you can pin it on Pinterest, especially, you know, on making money online, interest boards, and so on and so forth. And you could get an additional 10 leads a day. Okay, moving on. So I do that on the weekends. So what I do is on the weekends, I sit down, I take 15 minutes while I'm watching a movie. I normally pop in a movie, and I take all my YouTube videos that I made through the week and I plop them into Pinterest. That's it. Simple. Okay. Facebook groups. Like I said, in the morning you can post in, you know, I would say like 15 to 20 Facebook groups, and then you could do the same, repeat the same process at night, and you could easily get 20 leads a day going to your capture page. Okay. And then you can also purchase a solo ad, a minimum clicks of 100 a week. That would cost you about, I would say, $80 to $100 for a good solo ad. But you got to look at it as return on investment. You build a list, and let's say someone came in at your highest offer. So my highest offer is $400. Okay, but let's go in the midpoint. Let's say somebody come in at $100, which is my midpoint offer. Okay, I spent $80 on that solo ad, but that sale paid for itself. Okay, so you got to look at return on investment, not immediate return. Okay, the other thing you can do to get leads is grow your friends to 5,000 people. Again, the system that I'll post below is what I use to get the actual training. So it's not just a cash machine. It teaches you the training on how to do all these things that I'm talking about. All right, growing your friends to 5,000 by adding targeted people so that you can grow your friends to 5,000, and just by doing that you can get an extra 20 leads a day looking at your capture page. Okay, another thing you can do is your, I don't know what they call it, your Facebook, I don't even know what to call it. What is it called? Your Facebook banner. Not your profile picture, your Facebook cover picture. That's what I meant to say. Cover picture. Your Facebook cover picture, if you put some exciting pictures, so maybe you traveled, maybe a picture of you and your family, and post your website there, people naturally, when they check out your profile, they're going to go check out your website. So that's another way as you're adding friends to get people to your capture page. Okay? Don't be saying a whole bunch of stuff about your business. Just simply put your link and an exciting picture of you in your capture page. And if you want to see more, go to my Facebook page. Okay? And then active prospecting is another way you can get free leads. And a lot of people don't know how to do this. And this is one of my favorite strategies. I always scream at the top of my lungs about active prospecting. And active prospecting, the way I do it, is nothing more than I message 50 people a day that are already on my friends list, that I've already connected with or messaged or like some of their pictures. And I message them and simply ask them if they want information. I'm not trying to sell them. I'm like, hey, you know, I think you'd be great at what I do. Or, hey, you know, I think you'd, this opportunity could really help you, you know, especially if I saw them post something about being broke or something like that, right? I'm going to pop in their inbox eventually and ask them a simple question. Would you like some information about this, blah, you know, blah, blah, blah. I don't give them a lot of information. They either say yes or no, and I simply give them the information. And my goal is to message 50 to 100 people a day, simply asking them if they want some information. That's it, right? And by doing that, I make sales, right? I make sales. I pop in people's inbox all the time, but that's what I do, okay? So let's do a little bit of math. So I told you all the ways that you could get free leads, of course, with the solo ad is paid, but free leads to your sales page. Oh, my battery about to die, y'all. So at minimum, that's 250 free leads a week. Let's take out even with the solo ad, it would be 150, but let's say 250 leads a week. Let's say 1% of those convert at your lowest offer. Oh, hold on, y'all. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm on my lunch break. I'm making my video. Can y'all see me now? Okay. Whew, teacher life. All right. So, anyways, what was I saying? 250 leads a week. Let's say only 1% convert. Okay. Let me expand this because this just cut off, and I'm going to be done with this video in a second. So let's say just 1% convert at your lowest offer. I have 2 products that are at my lowest offer. First one is a $25 offering. Let's say 1% convert. If 25, that shouldn't say $25. If 25 people, which is 1% of 250, actually that's 10%, but anyway. Let's say, I meant to say 10%, but I put 1%. Let's say 10% convert, okay? At your lowest offer, which is 25, I have a $25 product. 25 people times 25, that's $625 that I'm putting in my pocket every week, let's say, okay? Just by using these free traffic strategies plus this simple solo ad. So am I going to cry over paying $80 when that marketing got me $625? No, I'm not going to cry, because that solo ad plus all my free tactics are getting me hundreds of leads a week. Okay, then let's say my other low ticket offer, which is $7. Okay, so it should be the other way around. A $7 product times 25 people. Let's say 25 people came in at my lowest ticket offer. That would be $700 a month extra in my pocket just by using these strategies. Okay, so that's it really. I just wanted to just kind of explain that our job is really just to be a traffic generation, a lead generation, I should say, machine to allow your autoresponder, when set up the right way, your autoresponder will do the work of helping you with conversion and automating some of the follow-up, and then you do some of the manual work of simply broadcasting to your list once or twice a week, or I'm sorry, 3 or 4 times a week minimum, inviting them to join your proof groups that hopefully your opportunity has, where they can see proof that it works from other people, and you can also share what's going on in your business, results you or other people are getting, and inviting them to training. Simple things, right? So 80% automated, the autoresponder does the majority of the heavy lifting, and you do a little bit of work just warming them up by sharing with them to come with you on this journey to get to the trainings, to get to the proof groups, and to see you. Alright, so that's it. Like, comment, and subscribe. I hope this was useful. Turn on that little bell at the top so you can see notifications. And I'm going to keep being about this teacher life, but getting my money on the side. I'm about to enjoy the rest of my lunch break. Bye, guys.